Hello guys, I am back again with my monthly giveaway. I couldn't do for last 2 months because we were in a lockdown and it was delayed delivering posting the I think it was November and December ones. So normally it takes um 2 to 3 weeks to dry, and the paint cure. 3 days takes to dry, but when the paint I needed to get the paint to cure and then I could apply the resin. So this is going to be same as well. So once it's done, it will going to take 3 weeks to dry and cure, and then I will apply the resin, and resin probably takes 5 days. So you have to bear with me, but if you win it, you're definitely going to get it. So let's get started. So what I'm doing swipe, and I'm doing swirl in the middle like I did in my last video. So doing a half swipe. So let's get started. So first I am using this one is a Pebeo black and blue, I think, Iridescent. So I'm putting a straight line. It's gone a little bit thicker. So that's it. Then I'm using TLP, this little piggy pigment. The old product details will be in the description box, and I am recording video for how I mix my TLPs, so stay in tune and you see. I will upload soon, probably next week. That's done. The next one is Galaxy, one of my favorite. This one is Queen, which it's like a pearl effect. You can't see naked eyes, but it shine through under the lights or direction of how you looking at. So that's going there. The next one I am using Nightfall and Violet tube paint, Arteza, which I mix together, and just like this. And cell activator I'm using Payne's Grey. I know it works, so I decided to use it. A bit in the middle. It's gone a little bit thicker than I normally use, but never mind, it will work, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so let's get the swiping tool ready, and that's what I'm using. And just put in there and slowly swipe through. And doing the same way other side as well. So that's done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to blow in the middle, just a tiny bit. So you can see how the cells are forming, and then I'll do my swirl pattern there, just going to go like this. then turn it weight now, and then start spinning, and then I'll tilt. Just move whole box. What's going on there? So what I do now, I'm just going to tilt because it's a heart shape. It's not going to go well with the spinning. So let's get down first. Just going to drop it here. That's it. And then go this way. Just want to get rid of this bit here and there. Now I'll bring it back to the middle. So now I'm just going to get them in the middle, get that swirly line in the middle. So yeah, that's it. Just going to leave it as it is now. I don't like this one, this bit a little bit, but the rest of it's really nice. So yeah, just move a little bit and then I think I'm done with it. It's less bubbles today as well in a pillow. So See how nice it is, and it's really very shiny. I'll get your close look to it. And yeah, if you want to enter, you have to leave the comments. I can choose all the choose one winner from the comments. That's it. And then you can, if you win, you need to contact me on Facebook or Instagram, my page. Just message me and we can go from there. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you in my next video.